Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 BK Mazda 3 sedans, Neo Sport, stock reference number 4626. This shape runs from the 10th month 2003 through to the 4th month 2009. It has an LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the front and the rear. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight. Left guard has a light fold on the front edge and a small dent. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre with the left hand power door mirror. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with no audio controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.